We live in a world that values physical exuberance, with many crowded and technological gyms offering various plans, regardless of the goal: weight loss, muscle gain, or muscle definition. Some are more interested in health, others in body aesthetics. But we cannot ignore that the fitness trend soon emerges, often without any professional guidance, but through recommendations from colleagues without any scientific basis. And with this, the basic and effective is forgotten, right? However, today we focus on rescuing one of the powerful training techniques that have effects and transcend generations. This technique is called the horse stance. That's right, horse stance. This name refers to someone mounted on a horse. Among many others, this is very old, traditional, and widely used in martial arts. The impressive thing is that there are numerous benefits to practitioners. Ready to discover the incredible benefits of the horse stance? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment sharing your opinion. Let's get started. In this video, we will explore the benefits of this practice and how to perform it correctly to maximize your results and avoid injuries. Believe it, if you have never trained the horse stance before, get ready for a challenge. Even experienced athletes are surprised by the intensity of this exercise. The most anticipated benefit of this technique is the strengthening of the lower body. The horse stance is an incredibly effective exercise for strengthening the lower body. This exercise involves maintaining a static position that intensely activates and works several major muscle groups. For athletes, the horse stance offers a significant advantage. Strengthening the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves improves leg power and endurance, essential for virtually all sports. Whether in soccer, basketball, athletics, or martial arts, strong and stable legs are the foundation for high-level performance. This training helps increase endurance and mental resilience. Maintaining the horse stance for long periods not only strengthens the muscles, but also offers intense training for the mind. The practice of holding this challenging position requires a high level of concentration and mental strength, significantly developing endurance and mental resilience. The horse stance is known for its initial discomfort, especially for beginners. Maintaining this static position can be extremely tiring and painful, especially in the first few minutes. However, it is precisely this difficulty that offers valuable mental training. Learning to accept and overcome physical discomfort is a crucial skill that can be transferred to many aspects of life. The continuous practice of the horse stance teaches the mind not to give in to immediate discomfort, but to persevere through it. This type of mental resilience is essential for facing daily challenges and obstacles, whether at work, in studies, or in personal situations. In Chinese culture, the term eating bitterness is used to describe the process of enduring hardships and discomforts to achieve a greater goal. This expression is particularly relevant in the context of the horse stance. The exercise requires significant willpower to maintain the position despite the pain and fatigue. Eating bitterness reflects the idea that enduring difficult experiences is necessary for growth and success. By practicing the horse stance, you're essentially training your mind to accept and deal with discomfort productively, knowing that the long-term benefits are worth the effort. Mental resilience is the ability to recover quickly from difficulties. Regular practice of the horse stance strengthens this capacity by requiring you to face and overcome physical discomfort repeatedly. With each session, your mind learns to adapt and better cope with pain and fatigue, becoming stronger and more resilient. This mental resilience has a positive impact on many areas of life. People with high mental resilience are better able to handle stress, stay calm under pressure, and continue moving toward their goals, even when facing significant obstacles. We must also mention its application in improving balance and stability. The practice of the horse stance is one of the most effective ways to improve balance and stability. These components are essential not only for performance in physical activities, but also for a safer and more confident daily life. Maintaining the horse stance requires precise control over the body's center of gravity. By lowering yourself into the correct position with thighs parallel to the ground and weight evenly distributed on each leg, you challenge your body to find and maintain balance. This continuous practice strengthens the stabilizing muscles, which are crucial for maintaining proper posture and preventing falls. The horse stance not only works the leg muscles, but also involves the core muscles. Keeping an upright spine and a slight posterior tilt of the pelvis helps engage the abdomen and lower back muscles. These core muscles are responsible for supporting the spine and maintaining postural stability. This practice also contributes to promoting flexibility. Do you know the benefit of this? The horse stance not only strengthens muscles, but also plays a crucial role in improving overall body flexibility. By adopting a deep squat position and holding it for extended periods, you challenge your muscles to adapt and stretch, resulting in significant flexibility benefits. Regular practice of the horse stance promotes an increase in the range of motion in several key joints of the body, including the hips, knees, and ankles. During the exercise, you stretch the leg and pelvic muscles in a position that deeply stretches these areas, allowing them to move more freely and without restrictions. Maintaining flexible muscles and joints is essential for injury prevention. Improved palm flexibility reduces muscle stiffness and joint tension, which decreases the risk of muscle injuries, strains, and sprains. When muscles are more elastic and capable of moving through a full range of motions, they are less likely to suffer trauma during intense or sudden physical activities. Have you ever tried the horse stance? Share with us in the comments how your experience has been so far. Keep watching to discover more incredible benefits and exclusive tips to improve your technique. Let's go! Another major advantage is mental focus and discipline. The practice of the horse stance goes beyond physical strengthening, also offering a powerful opportunity to develop mental focus and discipline. This crucial part of the exercise not only benefits the mind, but also significantly improves the quality of daily life. Maintaining the horse stance requires deep and unwavering concentration. While you hold the position, it is essential to keep your mind focused on the present, blocking external and internal distractions. This intense focus not only improves the effectiveness of the exercise, but also transfers to other areas of life, increasing the ability to perform tasks with greater attention and precision. The process of mastering the horse stance involves prolonged periods of physical and mental discomfort. By resisting the temptation to abandon the position prematurely, you develop increased patience and tolerance for discomfort. This skill is crucial not only during the exercise, but also in everyday situations that require waiting or overcoming obstacles. The meditative aspect of the horse stance provides significant relief from stress and anxiety. While you focus on breathing and maintaining the position, cortisol levels, the stress hormone, naturally decrease. This deep relaxation state helps to calm the mind, promoting an overall sense of well-being. I know you are like me, which is why I recommend this technique because it is of great value in terms of versatility and ease of implementation. The horse stance stands out for its versatility and ease of implementation, offering a convenient way to improve your physical and mental health anywhere and anytime. One of the most notable advantages of the horse stance is its adaptability to different environments and situations. It does not require special equipment or a large space, making it perfect for those with a busy lifestyle. You can practice it at home, in the park, or even during business trips. By making the horse stance a regular part of your routine, you not only strengthen your body, but also cultivate a healthy and sustainable habit. This daily practice can result in significant improvements in muscle strength, flexibility, and overall well-being over time. How to perform the horse stance correctly. 1. Starting position. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. 2. Bend your knees. Bend your knees as if you were sitting in an imaginary chair. 3. Maintain the stance. Keep your thighs parallel to the ground and your back straight. 4. Breathing. Breathe deeply and hold the stance for as long as you can, gradually increasing the duration. Avoiding injuries. Start slowly, gradually increasing the duration and intensity of the exercise. Pay attention to the correct form and use a mirror to ensure your posture is correct, avoiding unnecessary strain. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Click the like button if you enjoyed the video and leave a comment, sharing your experience with the horse stance. Thank you for your support.